Date Rush show is a scam. It's for a show aba be much as a coso. Nini na butayana the concept behind it. Ni say, Waba wa ye single, any bema wa ye single, beba benya a ye akwenya no say obeshia bema bi just a belly dit wa warrior. And I say, Oba bema no beshia or baby belly dit to our rear. Now, that program no is a live TV program. I just said many people are enjoying it. They bring now enjoy the kind of program the way it is, and the way environment me. In terms of dates, the way they dress, the way they act. I just said. Abefa bebre adwen ejiso na saying them date rush ebe call eye enda eye abrantie Raymond and I just say onya date ewo eye ase a say dodo na ni gi yes say bio as a show yi effective umia hunkobia just say ube wie na wanya a woman of your choice na eno na enko wie chi a obi a wonim eye Raymond in person just say wonim in reality and dindi Benjamin efa amponsa edin sembi aba betuja afa date rush was it date rush saying the kind boss no a scam a fake na dinti ama abrantie yi kanin samusa and saying was it say ya na watchro no or say eye abrantie before me reading your watchro you know or say abrantie a your friend Raymond just say will winni eye oba bakwa akoma just say oba ni this Sandra no say abrantie Raymond no anka sample no in reality no our girlfriends too awon no kwa won hu ni awon choose wo mu na ye ko hwe se ni aye nua bema Benjamin etro eye ne nsem date rush is a scam. These are Raymond's girlfriends and he loves them to the brim. He's even finding it difficult to choose one. Raymond is a chorister at the Church of Pentecost English Assembly, Dakuman area. For Ushe send ya watching and say many pictures are what they are so afa a year Raymond Ushe pictures no so a year Brantie Raymond one two different women and I just say woman pose trap picture just say confirming ya Brantie ne kana for our wasemu dear esi da na mu chire mu no metwa me ho aba na meje ababosom. Could it be say Abrantie Benjamin ne someone walk am ne kwanso ano no katashye ne proye na wo yes a program ni mu anana minia ba ekesi kapa etimi sabe nkum so a chese obefri ano na ense ni mu chire mu ni na ye de asomo ekesi kapa kwa abashonko
Johnson
te we get find it and then they won't say how na minia ba we share program where buy the way Ghana for Gia too. Na one believe say obi was sacrificing the Juma warrior and all that and the pride. Before a woman will say I'm single, I have to move out to meet someone. That is a near a serious deal,
sir.
And a dear one meaning. Now Abrantie the other two just say scam. Essence Abrantie involved in this particular season, you know. Our girlfriends too were dropping one pictures only in person. Now those behind the program, what they are doing, is it really fair? Ne kwanso anu.
Oba meda wase ebiem na mena makunye so achia too much for any etifu nyamisha mo sedane da mo hwe na on programs bi wo hono ma wo sesese na ye benefit no mo hwe na wo mo mba ne pane wo television so because ye hu fasodie bi a de eba as sesese obi de aba abonten beka say program a nkrofo ehwe bi hwe bi edie by nkrofo ehwe nkrofo ka ewo ensem wonnam Facebook a wo mo group a wo ma ati enyina ewo na ebebi echi na say yes kam na mo a mo invent can say program no and as the program no eba out no na chese munim say de moye enye na so mo de eba na mo de buy so mo de bebo na say mo de ba so mo de be say embabunu no because say no do na de wo mani ehwe so say oh program a oba kwa onya ne dofo na woni ne kokko study o mu ana say kakra na ne say wo hwe na be ma no opena ana say wo hwe ni suni ne ba na oyo okia woni no etu anamo san so na be ma no so kokkope ema na ne woni ne etu anamo no hwe say oba yi obebo ani ana ne nche so no so aware no na ade ankofo ehwe enye inspiration e di film ka say we dey mesusu mekobi na say echi no eba na obenya obebebete say yes say ade we ya wo mo no nukure bia enimu a na ne moye mo gina so amode eti program na mo gina so ede na mo gina so edete mo de te say mo de baba say emebu na mo de bedada wo mo wow eno na ma nunti ehu enhide nya say programs bi wo hono mo a ye be ka say mofra na say bia yen mpenifo no krampo no ye de yehwe because ye nya fasodie bia emfa every ye de emu emma eti de omo ne de say yes ase de yin be ma no ka no dia ene na wo manya de
yo minya ba na chese ususu say so ampa say nkrofo adapted to the program our more fun and personal we free say want to be in the programs the purpose is ebeboa na ekoba se embeboa na yes scam dia na chese enye ne kwan so na ye show ye nia be ma Jerome ono so den semi betu idwa o say date rush is not our culture. Someone tells some judge to table a bill banning it. One also say a date rush program no Ghana enye your culture enti ehun be yin aso be ye fi system no mo makwanya krama that reality show no
no the work can ne kwan so anu wo mu wo ka se ani ma ya ba ne enye romantic as in say wo be hu be ma na wo pe na wo ntimi nkonkonko say ne pe enye your culture say emofo no na that doesn't mean say yen so yenye dem yenye emofo no wo mu nyoma wo mu wo nam ye nam montin so say yes see yam ntimi nkonko hu say me nimwi me ntimi me hu na me fe wa no na me fe wa funu hu fe wo hu na me nko me ba bi keke as in say wo ye madamfo ba emnofo wo mo wo hu ne yonko ba ma kwampo na obeye enso so aha no enye ye culture enti edinti na enyo ba bi wo ho no ma ye wo si yensua efa efu wo no enti say obema kwakope oba ewo TV so say oba nso so kwakope be ma wo TV so say me ko gina obema na mbra wo mememe minim de o ye
choose me over maybe 10 of ladies
omoye de obebe che ni capability and so obeye de like then na omoye wo because mi ni made a ube hu no wo be ma ba be no TV so just seconds and minutes bi na nti no be ka say what choose nti wo dey call out akwa date
eno ka be ba so dey
because say sa dey na nti na wo na mountain na hu be ma bia na hu na wakwa choose no me pa cho hu show she na susu mi hu no me pew ene dey na ka ya dey ate ase ba nipa na ba be gina wonu obe gina TV ni so no obe feki me show anything wrong about him or her and sure.
Okay. And ladies need to be fake.
Almost be fake. Me show anything wrong about her and so and sure. Wo TV so. I want say no ojonso o be wa be catch say me da me jonso. O me kan. Enti anu no kwa echi wo fa ni wie na wo na wo go so ojonso a. Afi na wo beble mu wo mo say wo mo na ma wo ba ojonso ana. No. Enti ayadiam mimi woni say enye your culture enti say the work can enu anu no e wo say emba me emfa so bi eni so emfa so bi bia ema
mitie wo ka se mo say na wo keka kona na wo susu say this program no even though say bia enkoye scam embe ma de mo ya de tete ete beti me ba say be me ya no won empinafo and I still a person or then or baby. Now I'm trying to say be a scam. A reality show also. Can the woman or the man find true love? They cannot work after the reality show. Now they decide like, oh, we need the heart of the woman or the woman win the heart of the man. And I bet man on the who or ban selecting or ban say me pioneer because or ban be acting or dressing. To man they be choose at the end.
Okay.
Could it be said at the end of the show, no, that relationship possibility of it working is it high?
Okay, about meet me aka say 50-50. Ebetimi aweke entimi weke as in said dem ebinu mutimi go secondary school koko hu eye be mo ne te class obi come school one be ma ne te class ye ni be huru no be ye yu be hu didimu omo twe omo mpena ketekete be hu na akwakwa ye aware ombe kwakwa nyini be ko university sie ombe we no makwakwa ware obi wo nso a won ye mpena twe obetwe fije junior high e de akwa eye secondary school e de akwa university e de akwa bia enso enya de se awade bo ede ebe free mu ede aba enti kupi e depending ejina wo mo emienu no so for it to work no ejina wo mo too no as because they are human and say wo nam ho no mana na mo ede obehye wo be ka cho say obi a wo ye wo ye ne fem obese oh no wo enye de entina say ni say just a day na wo di hu no na okan enti if it will work out. It depends on also how you are going to communicate, how you are going to interact, and how things are going to move on your side. And no never trust them. Yeah, our real everything abema na say intimate. It could be say they can find true love. It could be so say they can't.
Yeah, because there might be a question. Say me deal will cast beginning now. Now she said there was a whole lot of faking.
And there's a whole lot
reality show. We say oba fake, bema fake. And oba be fake to please the man, and the man too will fake to love this particular person. Only mo match. Say na kan any pane John soccer. It doesn't mean say I don't know Gina so put a question say meaning on the reality show before I be ending obe to me accept so those the woman but at the end you know later I will realize
so many things also obi wo ho no mo a obetumi aba abonten obi feel free aka bibia say there otie bibia on for bibia enso obi baba beka ba obi so wo ho no mo a enya de so obenya sa akokodo na baba beka bibia e fa ne ho na ye den atre obesie bi obeka nyoma bi de woni mu yakro obeka so woni ye no ababa beka just to attract someone. Okay. Because maybe I catch any say wona no mema mpena na wo fa mema mrefie enu nti na wo ba reality show no at least say dey be ya beka so no so nya be mod na ba kire ewo efie enti no there is more faking than reality like nipani any shows nyoma real e dey actually.
Okay, my sweetheart. Case can emene nya ye be emene nya ye be nti me person do final words e be to dwade amame ni work found be after you.
Okay, me kakra metimi aka ene say ye shows as say shows na ya doso ewo ye TV ne so shows na ya doso anado de awia de ahomache de ye anopa de tese enuma eba out no e doso too much e was said empenifo enhwehwem say program bi ebeba na say enye educative emfa so de bia embre emapunu no emma ye build ye emapunu no ma wo ndum pempe so bi emfa che say adwuma bi emfa sika bi emma embre eye wo bi emma ne dachi entimi ensipiem sa shows ni bi sa no de eni kwase e permitting wo ye TV station so say enkofo enkonkosho because all these are efforts on at the long run no enya dey say obi aba bonte aba beka say wona we so no wenya be ma wona na ware anaso wona wo de no atimi akwako hu na busuafo ma aware bi atimi apim enya wo na aba ma obi enya okunu ana wo yire enye wo responsibility say ubomo obi enye kunu ana woyire nipa wonam wonom no eye den ya say mema no e wo honum ne ho ye fe na nipa no say wo mo epen nkwande a won be approaching so it's not your responsibility say pe eyire ma obi ana pe ekunu emfa ema obi na later on no so bo bebre e nipa ne de eba because obeka say o ba ye TV no so no say na akokan ma fall in love with you awie ma wie say afebeka ko wie awarie emu no na de obebe kan ye se wunimu ye no afi na mu wuntimi nye na afi ye be so bo no baba warugo na ya do so ye mpepie mu e wo man mu ntinyo ma bi wo ho no ma ye yi emfefri ye system
yo ekesi kapa we that's wakasa ye na etiefo o hwe eye Ghana memu ha chese ye nkofo bi a ye mu binumu no nukredie chese fake life those na ka reality show we di anka ewo o hwe the concept na anka wo good concept anka nipa chese ye ti o man ye sunu ye di nokra anka it would have gone a long way to help because you get access to ABI and bad to athletes be picky with one and over picky back as a life partner and can you bad idea but the people involved ye mu bi no kre no ye di no kre enti ye baba ko do one chese ye fake ya ne sa na after program na ye productive chese hwe fa so bi amba so na se na city bia no so say adwenkyira ye nia ekesi kapa dia to dwan then na so work afon nia work no ne kwan so ano ana so wo bi foforo bomodia fatu your comment section subscribe to Too Much GH too much down da ne chiro so no ne ya beba be mu afifi mu akire mu ma wanya ho nte ase like and share na promote channel ni entina sema oda media any messical down da me ka chose messical ba ko pe misu ni wo piem nyame pa ye besa ehia bi maka